Ever wondered how renewable energy could impact our future? Ever paused to ponder the types of renewable energy sources that exist and their benefits? Picture a where we no longer rely on fossil fuels, where we don't have to worry about the air we breathe or the water we drink being polluted. A world where energy is clean, abundant, and most importantly, renewable. This is not just a pipe dream, but a reality we are working towards. This is the world of renewable energy. Renewable energy, as the name suggests, comes from sources that are replenished naturally and constantly. Sunlight, wind, water, geothermal heat. These are all sources of renewable energy that are readily available and inexhaustible. And they all share a common trait: they are kind to our planet. You see, traditional energy sources such as coal emit greenhouse gases when burned, contributing to climate change. But renewable energy sources? They're different. They generate power without releasing harmful substances into the atmosphere, which makes them a key player in our fight against global warming. But the benefits of renewable energy aren't limited to environmental protection. It's also about sustainability. Renewable energy technologies are becoming more efficient and less expensive. They're creating jobs and driving economic growth. They're providing energy security and independence. In short, renewable energy is not only good for our planet, but also for our society and economy. So, what types of renewable energy sources are there? And how do they work? These are fascinating questions that deserve our attention. From the heat of the sun to the power of the wind, from the flow of water to the warmth of the earth, renewable energy comes in many forms and harnesses natural phenomena in ingenious ways. In the coming minutes, we're going to explore these sources of renewable energy. We'll see how they're being used today and how they could shape our future. We'll delve into their benefits and challenges, and we'll see why they're so crucial for a sustainable green future. Stay tuned as we delve into the world of renewable energy sources and explore their benefits. If you're excited about exploring renewable energy with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. Imagine harnessing the power of the sun for our daily energy needs. That's exactly what solar energy is all about. Solar energy is, in essence, the conversion of the sun's radiant light and heat into usable electricity. The process begins with solar panels, which are composed of tiny units called photovoltaic cells. When sunlight hits these cells, it knocks electrons loose from their atoms. As these electrons flow through the cell, they generate electricity. In essence, solar energy is the epitome of clean, renewable power. It's a limitless, constantly replenishing resource that emits no greenhouse gases and requires no combustion. In fact, in just 1 hour, the sun radiates more energy onto the Earth's surface than the entire human population uses in a year. But what sets solar energy apart isn't just its environmental credentials, it's also incredibly versatile. Solar power can be harnessed anywhere that receives sunlight, making it an ideal solution for remote, off-grid locations. Plus, with the advent of solar batteries, excess energy can be stored for use when the sun isn't shining. Yet, the real potential of solar energy lies in its future. As technology advances, solar panels are becoming more efficient, more affordable, and more accessible. Today, countries around the world are recognizing the value of this renewable resource and are investing heavily in its development. It's not just about reducing carbon emissions, it's about securing a sustainable, self-sufficient energy future. Solar energy is not without its challenges, of course. Issues like intermittent sunlight and the environmental impact of manufacturing solar panels are real and must be addressed. But with ongoing research and innovation, these obstacles are becoming less daunting. Solar power represents a shift in the way we think about energy, from finite, polluting resources to clean, infinite ones. It's a change that's not just good for the environment, but for our economies, our health, and our future. Solar energy, a beacon of hope for a greener future. Ever felt the power of a gust of wind and wondered if it could be used for something more? Welcome to the world of wind energy. Imagine a world where the breeze that rustles the leaves and cools off a hot summer day also powers our homes, our businesses, and even our cars. That's the promise of wind energy, a renewable source of power that has been harnessed by humanity for thousands of years. But what exactly is wind energy? Simply put, it's the process of converting the kinetic energy in wind into electrical energy. Picture a wind turbine, those towering structures with spinning blades that you might have seen dotting the landscape or out at sea. As the wind blows, it turns the blades of the turbine around a rotor. The rotor is connected to a generator that creates electricity. It's a clean, efficient, and sustainable way to generate power. One of the key benefits of wind energy is that it's renewable. As long as the wind blows, we can generate power. It's also incredibly clean. Unlike fossil fuels, wind energy doesn't produce greenhouse gases or contribute to climate change. In fact, a single wind turbine can save over 4,500 metric tons of greenhouse gases each year. That's equivalent to taking nearly 1,000 cars off the road. But it's not just about the environment. Wind energy can also be a boon for the economy. It's one of the fastest growing job sectors in the world, providing employment to hundreds of thousands of people globally. From manufacturing and installation to maintenance and operations, wind energy offers a wide range of career opportunities. Looking ahead, the potential for wind energy is immense. Advances in technology are making turbines more efficient and less expensive. Offshore wind farms, in particular, are poised to become a major source of power in the future. So next time you feel the wind in your hair, remember, it's not just a pleasant sensation. It's a powerful source of renewable energy that's helping to shape a greener, more sustainable future. Harnessing the power of the wind, another step towards a sustainable future. Water, the essence of life and also a source of renewable energy. Let's explore the world of hydropower. Now, when we say hydropower, we're talking about harnessing the power of moving water to generate electricity. This is one of the oldest methods of energy production, and it's still widely used today. Picture a massive dam holding back a river's flow, then releasing it with controlled force to spin large turbines. These turbines are connected to generators that produce electricity. But that's just one way of doing it. There are also run-of-river systems and tidal power plants, each with their unique methods and benefits. One of the main advantages of hydropower is its reliability. Unlike solar and wind energy, which depend on weather conditions, flowing water is a constant resource. It's always there, ready to be used. Plus, hydroelectric plants are capable of going from zero to maximum output extremely quickly, making them excellent for meeting sudden spikes in electricity demand. But it's not just about reliability. Hydropower also has a low environmental impact. Yes, the construction of dams and reservoirs can disrupt local ecosystems, but once they're up and running, hydroelectric plants produce clean, emission-free electricity. And let's not forget their potential for energy storage. Pumped storage plants work like giant batteries, storing excess electricity from the grid and releasing it when needed. Looking ahead, the potential of hydropower is enormous. With advancements in technology and design, we could harness the power of our ocean's tides and waves on a much larger scale than we do today. And as we continue to innovate, we'll find even more ways to tap into the incredible energy of water. Remember, every drop in the ocean counts. And in the case of hydropower, every drop has the potential to light up a home, power a business, or fuel a car. It's a reminder of the incredible power of nature and how we can use it responsibly to meet our energy needs. Hydropower, a testament to the power of water, fueling our journey towards a greener future. We've discovered the power of the sun, felt the force of the wind, and understood the strength of water. But what does it all mean for our future? Well, the answer is pretty promising. As we've seen, renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower are not only viable but also abundant. They're capable of providing us with a constant, reliable stream of energy, unlike fossil fuels, which are finite and cause harm to our environment. Solar energy, harnessed from our very own star, the sun, is plentiful and powerful. With advancements in solar technology, we're now able to tap into this immense source of power more efficiently than ever before. Imagine a world where almost every rooftop is glittering with solar panels, converting sunlight into electricity and powering homes and businesses with clean, green energy. Then, there's the power of the wind, a force as old as time itself. Wind energy is already a major player in many countries around the globe. With wind turbines becoming more efficient and less intrusive, they're set to play an even bigger role in our energy mix. Picture vast wind farms, their turbines spinning gracefully, generating electricity without releasing harmful emissions. And let's not forget about hydropower, the oldest form of renewable energy. Harnessing the power of moving water has served us well for centuries, and modern hydroelectric plants are more efficient than ever. Envision mighty dams and humble river turbines working in harmony to light up our cities and towns. The potential of these renewable energy sources is immense. They offer the promise of a sustainable, greener future where we no longer rely on harmful fossil fuels. Instead, we draw power from the natural renewable forces around us. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality that's within our grasp. But the green future isn't just about energy, it's about a complete shift in mindset, a commitment to sustainability in every aspect of our lives. It's about creating a world where we live in harmony with nature, rather than exploiting it. Join us in our journey towards a greener future, powered